Pigeon. Yo. I've watched you humans for years, rushing like shiny beetles through metal rivers. Pigeon. Yo. You're searching for something profound. Pigeon VO. But here's what I know. Breadcrumbs fall like tiny meteors every morning. Pigeon VO. And they're perfect. Pigeon VO. Stone giants stand frozen while we claim the wooden thrones you call benches. Pigeon VO. You're so busy looking up you miss the simple truth. Pigeon VO. The meaning of life. Warm sunlight on your feathers. Good crumbs when you need them. Pigeon. Pigeon VO. And bobbing your head like you totally get it. That's the secret.